Hello IFX, how are you? I'll be doing this one all in Greek style. Greek equals correct, like Mr. Pano says. This Friday, we will be going to Philadelphia. Philadelphia is very beautiful. My friend Dan, he comes from Philadelphia, he drives around in a toaster car, you put toast in it, you make beautiful sandwich. Jambon tiri, we call in Greek. Cheese and ham. This is nice. Friday, I go to Stanley. He's a good friend from long time ago. He come to the diner, he have coffee. He's good. So he's gonna come, I'm gonna go to his house. My friend Frankie, Italian guy, good guy. Dane, and other people. We're gonna hop in the van. We cross a few bridges, we look at the lights of the city. We meet with Kaleo. Kalaleo? No. Kaleo. Hawaii. He's from Hawaii. Nice car. Turbo. K-A-T. Very nice. And we see people. We come together, we eat food. Not gyro. Philly cheesesteak from Philadelphia is a beautiful thing. We're going to eat cheesesteak. We're going to talk malakias. You know, malakias, left and right. I like this car, SR, KAT, doesn't matter, we're all malakas. We spend too much money. So we go, Philadelphia, with Stanley's van. We meet with Dan, with the toaster box. He put toast, jambon tiri, ham and cheese, and we have a good time. Okay, everybody go to Philadelphia on Friday. I want to see you there. Thank you very much, IFX.